Hey guys, my name is Lulu, also known as Lulu Amo, here on YouTube and also on Instagram. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are returning and you haven't subscribed, you haven't gotten to the part where you have to subscribe, like what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button down below. Let me remind you guys, it is free. Okay, because some people don't know that. It's free, guys. I'm sure you guys have read the title of today's video. I am reviewing the USHAS Brow Fixing Soap. It is said to be long lasting. I've been seeing a lot of people try something like this, not this specific brand but other brands. I got this at Bling Girl in Joburg, and yeah, Bling Girl official, or yeah, official Bling Girl official underscore on Instagram. You can check them out. I got this at Bling Girl for 18 rand, so I'm very excited to try this out. I asked the lady there when I saw I was like, because there was two brands, which one are people buying the most, and she said this one is what people are buying the most. I looked up reviews about it and I couldn't find any, so here I am giving you guys a review just in case you would want to go purchase this. Okay, if you happen to know me personally, or you think you live close to me, I am going to Joburg soon, so before we do that, let's test it out first to see how it performs, if it can tame these brows the way that we want. This is what it looks like. You slide it open like that, and that's what it looks like on the inside. They use like a spoolie brush like this, and they spray it with water. I'm gonna brush this up and down. I'm gonna brush them down like that and brush them up. So this is the first coat. Usually with me, the hair on my arch is the hardest to tame because it's curved like this. So I'm happy that it is going up like that. I'm going to press it down. And this is the before and after. Like, this is the before and this is the after. And what I like about this is that, you know, sometimes I would use glue. Let me show you guys what I use normally. So normally I use the Got2b glue, and it leaves like a white cast around my eyebrows that I have to wipe off. So I love that this is clean, guys. It's clean. I can easily go over this with makeup without having to wipe anything off. I am loving this. I am loving this. Is the before and this is the after. Okay, I love it, guys. I am loving this. So let's do the other brow. I'm using setting spray. I don't know if it works the same way with just water, but I'm guessing that it does. So yeah, if you guys were wondering, I'm using the smudge fixing spray. You want your brow pencil to be as sharp as possible, guys. Like, I hope you can see how sharp that pencil is. It's very sharp. On perch. Yeah. Okay, let me go do the rest of my face. This is how the eyebrows look. I love them. I love them. I don't know if it's called USHAS or USHAS, but I love this brow fixing soap. It's amazing. It did not leave any residue on my face. I did not have to wipe anything as I would with the glue or with like the actual soap. Like, I did not have to wipe anything. I love it. It just tames my brows the way that I want, as you guys saw. So this is how I do my eyebrows now. I do switch up and change like how I do my brows every now and then, but this is how I do my brows now. Right now I'm gonna be using this a lot. As I was saying in the beginning of the video, if you know me personally, or you think you know me personally, or you think you live around my area, if you want this thing, if you want me to buy it for you, you can give me a shout. Send me a DM on Instagram. I'll insert my Instagram username. I will buy this for you at no additional cost. It cost 18 rand the last time I went to check, so I'll buy this for you at no additional cost. So yeah, you just have to come and fetch it at my house. I don't want any admin of sending it to anyone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, do not forget to help me grow the channel and clicking the subscribe button down below. Comment in the comment section. A lot of people were asking me, where do I comment? I don't know where to comment. You have to scroll down where you read other people's comments. That's where you like add your comment as well. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.